Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, you will learn about the introduction of function. The learning objectives of this video are that the student know the drawback of huge program. And then the second objective is that the student will know the importance of modular program. And then the last objective is that the student know the motivation of using function in the program. Let us start by discussing an example of huge program. So here I have one program, and it consists of only main program, and I put all the operation inside of the main program. I have the addition, I have the subtraction, and also the power. This is just for explain the example of huge program, so that I use simple operation just like addition and subtraction and this power. However, you can imagine if I have a complex operation, suppose like finding the median, finding the mode, or calculating average, which is more complex rather than only calculating summation or addition. So in this huge program, I mix all my operation inside of the main program. So this will give you problems, and what kind of problems that you will have. So you will have the problem of debugging. What is the meaning of debugging? Debugging means that you find the error which is occur in your program. Suppose your program has error, logical error. That's not syntax error. So it will be hard to find which part consists of the logical error, because everything you mix together, therefore it will be difficult to find. And then it's also hard to understand. So suppose I have this addition, and in the middle of the addition operation I give the subtraction. That's also okay. I mean, the program will run and it will work, but it is hard to understand. And then the last problem is that to reuse the operation, suppose my addition operation or subtraction operation, I will reuse in another line or in another program, then it will be impossible, or it will be very difficult. So this reuse will be difficult to do. And now, what is function? All that problem in the previous slide, it can be solved by using function. And what is function? Function is also called as subprogram or module, and it contains small operations which have specific usage from the whole program. And then a program can consist of several functions or subprogram. And here we have the example of function. So this one is my main program, and you can see that this is similar to the previous example. However, when I do the addition, I will not do the operation inside of the main program, and also when I do the subtraction, I will not do the operation inside of the main program. However, I will define functions to do the addition. So here, this is the function for doing addition, and then this is the function for doing subtraction, and this is function for doing the power. Then in my main program, I just call the function name. So doing the addition, I will call the function add. If I'm doing the subtraction, I will call the function subtract. What is the benefit of using function? As you know the problem which occur in huge program, then of course when you are using function, you can avoid all the problem occurs in huge program. So the program is easier to debug, and then the problem is more structured, or it is easy to understand. And we can reuse some operation without rewrite it. And then the program is modular, so it contains of many modules which make it easy to communicate to other program. This one is also the side effect of this third benefit. So now I hope you can answer this quiz. Why do we need to avoid collecting all operation within the main program? So the answer is that the program, it will be huge and it difficult to debug, and it is difficult to understand. Suppose you have a new programmer and he want to read your program, then it takes time, more time, rather than if you write in several function. And then the last is that reuse some operation inside of your program, it is impossible or it is difficult. And then what do you think that making a program as modular as possible, it means that you have many functions in your program, will give you advantages? Yes, of course, all the problem coming from this first question, it will be avoided by writing the program as modular as possible, or you use several functions. So that's all the answer of this quiz. We will see in the next video.